This is actually kind of sad. I don't like this.
Julie, I'm trying to help you.
Not now. I think we really should get another version.
Dominance.
On top of you now. Don't get all up at first, Julia. Continue.
You can't touch it though.
Apparently not. Protecting.
Good, you brought him back.
Sing. Silent treatment for Julia. So embarrassed. Aww. Well,
I can't touch it. See, I'm gonna pose you in the custom as Lovebirds.
He's trying to go to the bathroom.
Prepared.
That's
I think she's right.